In the heart of every home, a simple cookie.
Thanks to artificial intelligence, making or doing anything has become much easier in our lives. Just like in my previous videos, I have provided many tutorials on how to generate AI-generated movies. Similarly, I have started another series today which is about how to create commercials. In this video, I will teach you how to create ads for anything using AI, and guess what? You can share these ad making powers with the companies and leave them wondering who is the genius behind this ad. You can earn a substantial amount of money by offering AI-generated ad creation services to companies. So let's get started with our tutorial. At the end of the video, you will get to see an amazing commercial that you will love. First, you will need a script to create your ad. Just like for anything else, you will need a script first. So let's go to ChatGPT, and there I will type, I want to make an Oreo biscuit commercial. Please make a script for this. I have selected Oreo for my commercial, but you can choose whatever you want to create an ad for you, or you can use this method if you have a commercial order from a company. Now let's take the script we have written in ChatGPT. Now back to ChatGPT, I will type, I want to make a commercial out of images. So please write prompts for the images hyper-realistic and lifelike, because we need hyper-realistic lifelike images for our project. Then we will copy the prompt from ChatGPT and go to Leonardo.ai. Here an interface will appear for image generation. When we click on AI image generation, here we will type our prompt and select a ratio 16:9. We will choose photoreal to generate our images. We will copy our first prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in Leonardo.ai and generate the image for Oreo biscuit. We will download this image. For the next image, we will return to ChatGPT and copy our next prompt, paste it in Leonardo.ai with the same settings and generate the image for it. We will continue creating our images step by step. We will keep copying prompts from ChatGPT and generate them in Leonardo.ai, downloading the image one by one. Once we have all our images, we will move on the next step, which is to convert these images into animations. For animation, we will visit PiKalabs and click on join button, and we will join the Discord server. Here we will type /animate and upload the image that we want to animate. We will also use the prompt we created in ChatGPT for image generation. We will specify the values FPS 24, GS 15 and motion value 3. I have already explained the meanings of these values in one of my previous videos on my channel. You can go there and watch it if you want to understand these values in more details. As soon as we generate our animation with the images, we can see that our animation is ready. Now just like before, we will copy the next prompt for the next animation. We will paste the prompt for the image in which we want to create the animation here in PiKalabs. We can set the values FPS 24, GS 15 and motion from 1 to 5. However, I suggest keeping the motion value at 1, 2 or 3 and staying within the range of FPS 24 and GS 15 for the best results. Following these steps, we will continue copying our prompts and pasting them in PiKalabs, adjusting the values and getting our animations ready. But if you find that some animations are not getting well in PiKalabs, because sometimes PiKalabs may not generate animations perfectly, you can also consider using Runway ML. You have another option as well. Based on my experience, I suggest that animations with human-like figures tend to generate well in PiKalabs. However, for animations like an Oreo cookie ad, animation for it is generating better in Runway ML. So if you want to create animation with human-like figures, you can use PiKalabs, and if you want to animate other objects or things, Runway ML will provide better results. To get started with Runway ML, you need to sign up. Once you are signed in, click on text image to video. When you click here, you will need to upload the image that you want to animate and type the same prompt that you used when generating the image. After typing the prompt, click the generate button, and you can see that particular animation has been generated much better using Runway ML. In a similar way, for our next animation, we will upload our image along with its description. Here we will type the same prompt we used when generating the image. You can also adjust camera settings here. It depends on your preference, but you can also copy the same prompt we used for the image and paste it here. Then we will click the generate button to create the animation. You can see that Runway ML is generating these animations so effectively. We will continue following these step by step. We will continue uploading our images in Runway ML, typing the same prompts and creating animations step by step. In Runway ML, we usually get 4 seconds animation, while PiKalabs offers 3 seconds animation for free. So following these steps, we'll keep generating our animations. It's worth nothing that animations with human-like figures tend to work better in PiKalabs, but for other animation, Runway ML is more effective. As you can see, I tried to generate an animation with a figure on Runway ML, but I encountered an error. So I successfully generated the same animation with PikaLabs. That's why it's good to have both options available, but if one doesn't work, you can use the other, because in Runway ML we try to generate animations with human-like figure including children. An error occurred stating that the content was flagged by their content policy. This is why many animations were successfully generated using PikaLabs. When all your animations are ready, you can go back to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, we will type suggest songs and soundtrack effects from YouTube library to download. We will download soundtracks and effects from the YouTube library, making our work even easier. For the voiceover, we will go to 11 Labs and copy all the dialogue we generated in ChatGPT. Then we will paste them here and select a suitable voice for our video. In the next step, after downloading our animations, we will edit them using CapCut. We will add our video clips, the track we downloaded from the YouTube library, and our voiceover, adjusting as needed. In addition, we will add transitions. I made a change in ChatGPT by having it write an Oreo song. To generate song, we can use songs.ai. Here we have 4 options for generating songs. I choose the pop option and I have typed my song. Once it's ready, I will download it and add it to my commercial. How well our animation is prepared.
In the heart of every home, a simple cookie can create unforgettable moments.
Oreo, Oreo, the cookie we adore.
The classic Oreo, a timeless favorite that brings joy to people of all ages.
Chocolate and cream, you're what we're craving for. Twist and dunk, you're the perfect little treat. In your delicious world, we find something sweet. Oreo, Oreo, you're the best by far. With every single bite, you're the shining star.
Whether you're a kid or a grown-up, Oreo is the perfect treat for every moment. From playdates to family gatherings, Oreos bring people closer together. And when you dunk an Oreo in milk, magic happens. The perfect combination of crunchy and creamy. Or enjoy the creamy center all on its own. No matter how you enjoy it, Oreo leaves a lasting impression. Oreo, the cookie that makes life sweeter. Oreo, twist, lick, dunk, and savor the moments.
Cookies, you'll always be supreme. Oreo, Oreo, you're the cookie of our dreams.
Our commercial is amazing and you can prepare your own commercial following these steps. If you want more tutorials or have specific requests, feel free to comment and I will create content based on your suggestion. So remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome content and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss our next video where we will tackle something even more exciting. And until next time, keep the creativity flowing and cookies crunching.